This is truly an historic moment for the University of Calgary, and today's installation is an important reminder of the vital contribution UCalgary makes to the city of Calgary. Strong research institutions play important roles in the economic growth of cities in which they are based. They are ecosystems unto themselves and within the local landscape.
Even in short interactions with students, Dr. McCauley takes the time to listen and get to know them, illustrating his keen interest in not only the student experience, but us as innovators and, more importantly, as people.
Ed is the kind of leader who is humble, and he lets his work speak for himself.
The selection process followed a rigorous national and international search that began earlier in 2018 and was led by a presidential search committee. In the end, the committee was delighted to find that among the many highly qualified candidates for this position, the best candidate was one of our own. Someone who has invested so much in the University of Calgary and given so much to the University of Calgary, Dr. Ed McCauley. He has proven himself as a skilled leader in the world of academia and beyond.
Do you, Edward McCauley, swear that you will, to the best of your skill and ability, truly and faithfully carry out the duties and the powers of the President and Vice-Chancellor of the University of Calgary?
Come forward and invest President McCauley with the robes of his office.
Great research universities transform and improve the lives of students, our societies, and the world around us. We do so by creating new knowledge every day, by increasing our understanding of the world around us, by creating safe spaces for people to come together to solve problems and to have respectful discussions. We do so by inspiring students and by creating environments for our students to discover, to create, and to innovate. We're on the cusp of becoming a truly great research university, one that provides an outstanding student experience where our students actively engage in producing new knowledge, exploring new forms of creativity, and pursuing bold innovations, while at the same time building foundational expertise and disciplines, learning to collaborate, learning to communicate effectively, and building lifelong connections and networks. As a community, as an institution, we have an impact that goes far beyond our borders and our campuses. In a globally connected world today more than ever, the work being done here, the ideas being fostered here, our students who go out and expand the universe have far, far, far-reaching impact. Thank you very much for allowing me to join you on the journey.